she gone?
She won't let me in. She locked the door.
Fuck, she is the most ratchet.
What the fuck?
Hey. Hey.
His roommate had to walk me home. His fucking roommate! Dalen? Fuck him! He just left. He left! Fuck you. You better get the fuck over to my apartment right now. Then you better find a way to get here, or this is done. I'm serious this time. Fuck you.
It's Dalen.
Tell him if he doesn't get over here right now, we're done.
Hello? Yeah, okay. Hello? No, it's Marina. Yeah, okay. Where are you? Well, look at the street signs. The signs!
He says he's on a mailbox.
All right, Damon, I need you to focus for me, okay? Just tell me where...
You left me. I didn't know where I was and you fucking left me. You know what? You don't deserve to say my name. You don't deserve to speak the word kid.
Okay, all right. We're gonna try to come find you, okay?
Oh God, Mandy. Hi. I'm a queen, okay? I'm the fucking queen, so bow the fuck down! Oh, shit! Shit, oh my God, Mandy?
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Is she okay?
I'm just so done! Of course he would fucking do this to me, I should have known. He's just so stupid, like, use your brain for 1 second!
Hey, your head okay? Okay. Do you need to throw up still? We could go to the bathroom.